Hi guys, welcome to Coding for Kids or 21st Century Coding. I'm Miss Wimberly. I'm going to show you guys how this page works. I know you have signed up for code.org from the email I sent Sunday, and you are in Schoology now from the code I sent. I want you to go to up to the top where it says Course Overview, and know that everything in here you want to do first before you start week 1. Here's a picture of myself, my email, a phone number if you need to call and leave a message. Okay, this little area right here tells you what we're going to do in the class, but I think you'll be able to see other weeks as I show you now, so you can click on that and it'll open a little Google Doc. Okay, then right now you're watching a video of what we're doing and where things are, and then a video of how to get started. I'll show you how to do week 1. If you ever have Chromebook help, this right here is a really good tab. It's in this very orientation tab here. It shows you how to shut down your Chromebook, clear things. Sometimes you have extensions or things that need to be deleted, or you didn't shut all the way down, and so that Chromebook help has some videos and tips and tricks I think you might need. You never know. There's a good video I want you to watch here about online etiquette. Okay, it talks about what it's like to add information to our discussion boards that we'll be doing. And so the very first thing I want you to do is go to right here, Class Introductions. I want you to click on that. Once you're inside, there are 3 questions. I'll put mine on here soon. Where do you go to school? What do you like best? And what are you excited to learn? Okay, and so you can click on that and you can type it in, or you can create a video there. Alright, so let's go back to that folder, and then the last thing in this section is there's a little quiz. It just asks you some questions about if you know what you know and what if you can get around our page. So that's what I want you to do before you start into this folder week 1. Let me bring your attention to, though, right here, this coding help box right here. This is a discussion board. If you have a question about anything we're doing and you need help and you can't get a hold of me, you can just click right on here and type in your question. And so anybody else, I know some of you have been in Schoology before, you can help each other, you can answer it. So really we're all learners and teachers here, so you can help out each other on questions, because sometimes I might not be reachable right away. Okay? So if you would do those things first and then go to week 1. Okay, you can see week 2 and week 3 right now. I'm going to be turning those off, and I'll put them on a little bit before each week. But what I want you to notice is that each Monday you'll have a week to do the week 1 activities. Okay, and it tells you, today's June 5th, or maybe June 4th, but we start on June 5th, and you have a week to finish the items inside by June 12th. Then week 2 you have another week, week 3 you have another week, and week 4 is the harder one. We do have to have everything turned in by that Saturday, so I'm going to ask you to turn everything in by Friday the last week. So week 4, you might want to do less than you did the week before, but I want everything completed by Friday night. Okay, and I know some of you might be going out of town and things like that, so you might work ahead a little bit. And so this is planned, so when you click on week 1, it tells you everything you need to do. I'm going to stop the video in just a minute and go in week 1 and explain everything in here. But week 1 you have for 7 days to complete your activities in this folder. Alright, I hope you're going to have a great week, and I'm looking forward to seeing what you guys learn about coding. I think it's a great skill. It's fun to do also. Talk to you soon.